Hey, what if I told you that in next 5 minutes you could completely transform your ability to manifest your deepest desires? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me because I am about to share 3 game-changing techniques that have helped thousands of people, including myself, achieve results in mere minutes, not months. Let us be real for a second. How many times have you tried to manifest something only to end up frustrated and wondering why it is not working? It's like universe has put your desires on permanent hold, right? I have been there and it sucks. But here is the thing. It's not that the universe is not listening. It's that we have been approaching manifestation all wrong. We are trying to force it like we are arm wrestling with the cosmos. And let me tell you, that's match. You are gonna lose every time. So here is the first mind-blowing technique that's going to change everything. The whisper technique. Now, I know what you are thinking. Whispering, really? But hear me out. This is not some new age mumbo jumbo. This is about tapping into the power of subtle energy. Here is how it works. Tonight, before you go to sleep, whisper this phrase once, just once. Thank you, Divine, for showing me that my financial abundance is fulfilled. Thank you, Divine, for showing me that my perfect health is fulfilled. Thank you, Divine, for showing me that my loving relationship is fulfilled. You can replace the desire as you want it. That's it. It is that simple. No screaming into void, no begging the universe, just a simple, sincere whisper. I have seen people find lost items, land dream jobs, even reconnect with long lost loves using this technique. And the kicker, it often works in minutes, not months. Yeah, that is true. But let us get real for a second. For some of us, our minds are like old, buggy computers. We are running on outdated programming and it is messing with our ability to manifest. Yes, you heard that right. You know, that voice in your head that says, this won't work for me, or I don't deserve good things. Yeah, that one, it's like a pessimistic backseat driver constantly trying to steer you off course. This is where our second technique comes in, the 10K affirmation. Now, before you roll your eyes, this is not about standing in front of a mirror repeating, I am rich, until you are blue in the face. Instead, pick one statement that encapsulates your desires. Something like, I am worthy of abundance and joy. I deserve to experience success and happiness. I am worthy of love and prosperity. I embrace a life filled with fulfillment and joy. Now, here is the key. You are going to repeat this 10,000 times. Yes, you heard that right. 10,000 times. I know it sounds insane, but stick with me. This is not about positive thinking. It's about rewiring your brain. It's like updating your mental software, and once that new belief is installed, watch how quickly your reality starts to shift. Now, for our final problem, how many of you feel constantly stressed, always chasing, never quite content? It's like we have forgotten how to just be. This constant state of tension is like static on a radio. It is interfering with your ability to tune into the frequency of manifestation. You are so busy trying to control everything that you are actually pushing your desires away. This is where our final technique comes in, the reverse technique. Now, I can't go into all the details here. It's a bit complex for a quick explanation. But here is the main idea. It's about flipping your perspective, learning to let go, and tapping into that carefree, childlike state where anything feels possible. Yeah, it is possible. I have seen this technique help people go from constantly stressed to Zen master in a matter of days. It's like finding the cheat code for inner peace. So, there you have it. 3 powerful techniques that can revolutionize your manifestation game. The whisper technique for quick results, the 10K affirmation for rewiring your brain, and the reverse technique for finding that sweet spot of inner peace. Now, I want you to try this out. Start with whisper technique tonight. Begin your 10K affirmation journey, and for the reverse technique, check out my next video. Remember, manifestation is not about forcing the universe to bend to your will. It's about aligning yourself with the incredible power that is already within you. You have got this. Now, go out there and start manifesting the life you deserve. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing techniques. And hey, leave a comment letting me know which technique you are most excited to try. Until next time, keep manifesting, and remember, your dream life is just a whisper.